Hi, my name is Jonathan and I'm part of the Review for You team. Today, I'm here to talk about the Cleaner Smile. We at the channel, Review for You, have put together a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy Cleaner Smile. I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying Cleaner Smile. The first thing you need to know about Cleaner Smile is be careful about the website where you are going to buy it, because it is only sold on the official website. But we at Review for You are here to help you and prevent you from falling for scams, so you can find the link to the official website in the description below this video or in the fixed comment. So what is Cleaner Smile? Does it really work? The answer is yes, Cleaner Smile works. The product contains a formula called carbamide peroxide, a powerful bleaching agent for deep stains, but also safe enough for sensitive teeth. In addition, clinical studies prove that Cleaner Smile is effective for stains caused by age, tobacco, coffee, and tea. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with Cleaner Smile, even on the official website. There are some testimonials from customers who have used this product. You can get great results with Cleaner Smile, however, you have to keep in mind that every body reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Cleaner Smile for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they return your money without you having to give any explanations. So be safe to use Cleaner Smile. However, you should make sure that you are buying from the official website, so that way you can guarantee the benefits of the guarantee and not get scammed. But don't worry, as I mentioned before, the website link is in the description and fixed in the comments. Also, for Cleaner Smile to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to use it every day. The first step is to clean your teeth and apply the whitening gel on the tooth surface. Then you will connect the LED mouthpiece and leave it inside your mouth for 15 minutes. Finally, you will sanitize the LED with water and store it in a suitable place. Otherwise, you will not see great results and you will really get a bit frustrated. We at Review for You decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website where you will buy this product, and also, if you buy the product, do the treatment the way it is described in the manual by taking it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other because your body acts in a unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Cleaner Smile helps a lot to improve your life and your self-esteem. Don't forget to leave your likes on this video and subscribe to follow our reviews. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.